Waking up to face another day, come what may. Reluctant as won't leave the dream. Wondering if it's worth to get up and say it'll be okay, or turn my back and sleep again. So should I bother now to even try? I wonder why. You'll only be disappointed in me. I'll try to smile no matter what you say. Get through the day and look beyond where sun meets sky. In another time